Okay, so I was asked to do either 15 or 17. So what I decided to do was 16 and 18 instead. Because all of them you're using this compounded continuously formula. So on number 16, they tell you that the initial deposit is $2,000. So that's our A naught. They tell you the doubling time is 15 years, and we need to find R. So we're going to fill this information in. Now, if it takes 15 years to double, that means when T is 15, that A is 4,000. So we can put the 4,000 in here and 2,000 and E to the 15 times R. And then we're solving for that. So first I'm going to divide each side by 2,000. So I get 2 equals E to the 15R. And probably you know what to do from here. But let me go ahead and finish it since this isn't your homework anyway. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So then we end up with ln2 equals, this cancels out, 15R. So R is ln2 divided by 15. So then if we do ln2 divided by 15, we get R is about 0.0462. Usually the rate we would say was 4.62% would be the rate. And then I think we have, then we're also asked to find the amount in 30 years. So once you know a value for R, and actually it's better if we store this. So I'm going to store this in R, if I could find R. That wasn't R. It won't let me store it there. I hit the wrong button. Okay, I got it there now. Okay, so then if we have, we want to know the amount in 30 years, so we're going to do A equals 2,000, E to the 0.0462 times 30, but I am going to use my value of R, so I have 2,000 E raised to the, and I could type in the R, times 30, and we get $8,000. Wow, that's like a really nice amount. Okay, so that would take care of 16, so that gives you one example. On number 18, we know A naught, we know the initial value. We know that when T equals 30, we know the amount, and we have to find the rate and the doubling time. So fill in what we know. So I'm going to fill in 10,405.37 equals 1,200 E to the 30R. So we're going to be solving for R. So start by dividing by 1,200. And we get 8.671 equals E to the 30R. I'm going to take natural log of both sides. So when I do that, I'm going to have ln 8.671 equals 30R. So then I'm going to be doing ln 8.671 divided by 30. So I'm just going to take ln of this answer, so I don't have to type it in or store it. I could do ln answer divide by 30, and I get that R is about 0.0720, or roughly 7.2%. So that's R. And then to get the doubling time, I want to know when I double my money. I started with 1,200, so when will you have 2,400? So then we have E to the 0.0720 T. I'm assuming you could solve that now. You would divide, so we would have this. So I think you get the idea. So that should be enough.